After the visit in the continental,
Et nous avons visité le pays Nigeria, le pays Rwanda
yeah,
et un peu l'autre pays.
yeah, he visit this country, Honda, Nigeria,
Et un peu l'autre encore.
another country.
Lot of
again.
places.
Et dans le moment
Another
ça,
place.
on visite des réciprocités.
Now you just come to give some visit reciprocity.
Et c'est une occasion à nous,
It's the occasion
pour nous mener là dans la citadelle là.
to come here and here citadelle.
Symbole de liberté,
Symbol of the liberty,
symbole de dignité,
symbol of dignity
peuple haïtien,
for the people,
et symbole
Haitian people.
de tout noir qui est dans le monde là.
for all black
The world.
and the world,
Et surtout Ibo yo.
and also the Igbo. You know Igbo.
Et son symbole pour le monde, c'est la fierté du
It's
monde.
a symbol of world heritage for everybody and for the black people.
Nous venons là tout pour yo ouais.
Just to come to see.
Au lieu de
Coming to
touristes
see.
continent africain qui visiter pour pays yo, nous avons fait ici à destination.
When the African, the Rwanda wanna go to see the big, they know their country, just come in here and here to make a visit. Belverdi. Have the example. Look, the weather is better. As the green tree and very here. The symbol.
Symbole historique ça yo.
Historic.
Ça l'a pas intéressé africain yo.
Yes, it's interesting
Et
for
ça
the
fait,
Africa.
nous parler des questions culture entre nous.
And the culture,
Nous disons nous allons développer technologie avec
you
eux.
want to develop the technology,
Commerce avec eux.
commerce,
Ligne aérienne,
by example, Aryan,
communication,
communication,
agriculture,
agriculture,
sport,
sport,
en pile bagaille.
and yeah, much.
Nous allons voir tout comment nous allons développer les ressources naturelles ensemble.
Yeah, you want to develop all the resources of natural in this
C'est une
country.
véritable visite qui est vraiment importante pour les Haïtiens.
Yeah, it's veritable.
Malheureusement, nous ne pouvons pas recevoir dans la capitale là. Malheureusement, nous ne pouvons pas recevoir dans la capitale là.
You will recevoir?
Nous ne pouvons pas recevoir dans la
Okay,
capitale là.
but we not receive
Unfortunately.
in the capital.
Unfortunately, we don't
Unfortunately.
receive them at the
Et nous
capital.
recevons dans le nord.
We came in north.
Et c'est ça qui fait. Nous profitons de la présence dans le nord. Pour dire tout le peuple haïtien, dans le nord, nous recevons la délégation ça comme une fierté
Yeah,
les frères africains viennent visiter.
yeah. He says that the delegation, but you just come. He want to say all the people in the Asian people to say welcome. The Asian people like Africa. The Asian people like the black people. That reason he like it. He just come and north with
On
us.
connaît un peu de parler. Yeah, yo.
Okay. Don't go. Don't go interpret. I want to thank our next president of Haiti
Tellement devenu un prochain président
for inviting us here today.
pour capable
Invitez-nous ici,
inviter nous ici.
When I went in and asked if we could pray, and thanks for granting us the opportunity.
Pour capable jouer une opportunité.
When I started my prayers in our language, I called Ogugu.
Là, il a commencé à prier.
Il a parlé de Ogou.
Pour
Il
aider
parlait de Ogou.
Moïse pour devenir président du
Pour
pays.
président.
If you go back to the tape, you hear me mention call Ogugu.
Ouais, ça veut dire laisse depuis ta fin
Accord,
la mission.
Ancestral, strong, our great
force.
forefathers.
Il m'a des forces.
Know then that we haven't even seen what we just saw. That was before we came in.
Oui, pas même je sais ouais non.
And one of us noticed the Star of David.
Il y a une force encore
Comme roi David.
de roi David, de roi David.
We were telling the column, the shrine, that we need our freedom. And now I'm so convinced that we can, and they know that we're here.
On peut pas ici.
Because there are so many other what we call that I could have called, but the one that came to my mind was Ogu. And
Force qui vient dans tête c'est
C'est Ogou.
two other two, and I
C'est
heard him
général.
talking about Ogu.
Force pour bailler
So
la
it's not by
et
coincidence.
force la guerre.
So we're at the right place. what I was going to ask is, this kind of place needed somebody to be servicing the sanctuary. Because
David.
when you have some tourists, there are some people that will see things you wouldn't know they're seeing, and they need to go and pray over there, not just to see the beauty. And that's why I have made that request, and thanks for granting us that request, because we need freedom. For our brothers, we need freedom to get Biafra, and we need him to be the president of Haiti. And he's still going to visit here more often than he has been doing before. I'll keep in touch with him. So, he'll come here,
visit.
even if it's once in 3 months.
Okay. Okay.
So,
Even
thank you for giving us the opportunity.
All right.
Yeah.
Okay, let's go.